wondered how you can enhance the search functionality of your CS Cart website? In today's digital age, the user experience is everything. Customers who are visiting your online store will expect to find what they are looking for quickly and effortlessly. Hi, I am Achal. Here we are introducing the CS Cart ElasticSearch extension, the ultimate solution to transform your store search functionality. It allows the buyers to search for the products on the website in more advanced way. By using the extension, customer can search for the products using the product description. It gives search suggestions during the product searches. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog section, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's jump into the demonstration part of CS Cart ElasticSearch extension. And before proceeding ahead, I would request you to please do subscribe our channel and do hit the bell icon button to get more updates. Now, as you can see, I have successfully logged into the backend of CS Cart, and here on the panel you will find an option of add-ons, and over there you need to check the particular add-on, that is ElasticSearch CS Cart. By clicking on it, it will redirect you to the new page, and here you will find few options like general, settings and information. In order to move ahead, you need to tap over the settings and it will give you some information, as here you need to provide the required details like host. The host and port number is the server number you need to add over here, and the next option is of scheme. Here you can select the HTTP and HTTPS as per your requirement, and after that the option is of login authentication. You can mark this as enable or disable as per your own convenient, and after that it will ask you for the username and password of the server. Here you need to provide these details. After filling out the general information, you need to navigate into the search settings, and here you will find few options like fuzziness. From here you can mention the total number of counts, like how many matches you want at least over the search result. And the next option is of minimum number of characters to search. Here, as I have set it as 1, you can set the same as per your own requirement. And the next option is of search in product 4. From here you can select multiple options, as here we are having name, description, meta title and meta description and meta tag keyword as well. Now, as I have selected all of them from here, you can choose any of one or multiple as per your requirement. Now the next option is of details to be shown on search result. Same goes for it as well, as here you can choose product name, product price, product image. Now after this you need to tap over the save button and the information is successfully saved. After this you need to navigate into the design option, as you can see on the dashboard, and here inside the design you need to navigate into the layouts, and here inside the layout you will find an option of manage blocks. In order to design your block, like the block which you want to be reflect on the front end at the time of search result, you can design the same from here. As here I am going to create a new block. For this you need to tap over the plus button and it will give you a pop-up, and here you need to choose the template option, After it, you can provide a name to this block. As I have added a name, and from here you can choose the template from the drop down. Here I have chosen this ElasticSearch, and after this you need to tap over the create. Now this block is successfully created. After that you need to navigate inside the website, and after tapping over the website you will find an option of ElasticSearch. For the indexing part, you need to navigate inside this ElasticSearch, from where you can able to manage the indexing. As here you can see, you can find the status of the indexing which we have already created. Index 1, products, and other mapping option as sync data, edit index, and you can also, if you want to delete any of the index, then you can do the same by tapping over the delete index button. Now if you want to create a new index, then you need to tap over here, and it will give you a form where you need to provide the information as the index name, as I have added an index name, that is product, and from here you can able to choose the index type, and here you can set the number of shards, like how many number of total count, or at how many how many number of shards you want to define at the time of search result. And here you can set the number of replica. I have set both of them as 1. You can set the required one as per your own requirement. And here the last option is of index status. From here you can enable or disable the same. After that, you need to tap over the create button, and you can see the index is successfully created. In order to sync the data, you need to tap over the sync data button, and it will successfully sync on the front end as well. Now let me show you the storefront, like how you can able to search the result as per the applied extension in the backend. As you can see, this is our storefront, and here I am going to search any of the product. So I am just simply typing a single alphabet, and you can see it will give you all of the result which is having this particular alphabet. You can also check. So this way you can able to make your search, like you can only just tap a single word and it will display you all the required results which you are looking for. So that's all about the CSCart ElasticSearch extension. If still you are having any kind of concern or queries, you can reach us at support@webcool.com, or you can also raise a ticket from webcool.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.